The Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra is already shaping up to be one of the most anticipated smartphones of 2026, and the leaks, rumors, and insider reports surrounding this next-generation flagship are building up an incredible amount of hype across the tech community. From design overhauls and next-gen display innovations to massive AI integrations and new privacy features that could change how we use our phones forever, this is not just another yearly upgrade. It's Samsung redefining what a premium smartphone can do. According to multiple leaks from trusted sources like Android Central, Tech Radar, and Tom's Guide, the S26 Ultra is expected to arrive in early 2026 with a design that blends futuristic aesthetics and functional evolution. One of the biggest changes rumored is Samsung's move toward a slightly more curved, ergonomic frame, more comfortable in hand but still keeping that professional, flat-edge look that users loved in the S24 and S25 Ultra models. The corners will reportedly be softer, the bezels even thinner, and the screen-to-body ratio could hit record levels, giving it a nearly all-display front panel that feels like holding pure glass and light. Speaking of the display, this is where Samsung may deliver something completely new, a built-in privacy display. According to leaks, this technology will use what Samsung internally calls Flex Magic Pixel, which can dynamically adjust pixel brightness and orientation to prevent side-angle viewing. Meaning if you're sitting on a plane, train, or just in public, no one beside you will be able to peek at your messages, banking apps, or private photos. It's a futuristic feature that has never been seen in a mainstream flagship before, and it's rumored to be integrated directly into the hardware, not just as a software trick. The screen itself will still feature Samsung's stunning dynamic AMOLED 2X panel, possibly upgraded to a 6.9-inch QHD+ LTPO display with a refresh rate up to 144 Hz, enhanced brightness beyond 3000 nits, and new anti-reflective coating to improve outdoor visibility. Some insiders even claim Samsung might bring its color over ether (KOE) layer to reduce glare and make colors appear more natural under sunlight. Imagine watching your favorite shows, gaming, or scrolling social media with an ultra-vivid screen that looks perfect in every environment. That's the kind of display experience Samsung is aiming for with the S26 Ultra. Now, under the hood, performance is where things get even more interesting. The Galaxy S26 Ultra will almost certainly run on Qualcomm's upcoming Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chip, or a special 4 Galaxy edition, delivering mind-blowing speed and efficiency improvements. This chip is rumored to be built on a 3nm process with next-generation AI cores, GPU enhancements, and advanced thermal management, promising both smoother gameplay and longer battery life. Some reports suggest that Samsung may again split its chip strategy, with the Exynos 2600 powering units in select regions, but the Ultra variant in the US will almost definitely stick to Snapdragon for peak performance. Combined with up to 16GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 1TB of UFS 4.0 storage, this phone is designed to handle everything, from 8K video editing to real-time AI processing, effortlessly. But what's truly turning heads is Samsung's rumored plan to deeply integrate on-device AI features through One UI 8.5, which will ship with the S26 Ultra. This version of Samsung's software reportedly includes advanced features like AI-driven notification summarization, auto-organizing your messages and emails, real-time language translation during calls, and a smart composer that can help you draft social media captions or emails using natural language processing. Samsung is calling this approach Galaxy AI Everywhere, aiming to make your phone feel more like a personal assistant than ever before. Moving on to the cameras, the soul of the Galaxy Ultra series, the leaks suggest a story of refinement over reinvention. The S26 Ultra is rumored to continue using Samsung's 200MP ISOCELL HP2 sensor for its main wide camera, but with a larger aperture, f1.4 compared to f1.7 on the S25 Ultra, allowing more light for dramatically improved low-light photography. Paired with enhanced AI image processing, users can expect sharper details, richer colors, and better dynamic range even in challenging conditions. The periscope telephoto lens is expected to remain at 50mm with 5x optical zoom, while the secondary telephoto might still feature a 10MP with 3x optical zoom setup, but insiders claim both will benefit from improved hybrid zoom algorithms and noise reduction powered by the new AI engine. The 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor will continue offering exceptional landscape and macro performance, and Samsung is rumored to be developing an adaptive focus mode that intelligently blends wide and telephoto data to reduce edge distortion. The front-facing camera will likely stay at 12 megapixels, but new software magic could make it behave like a much larger sensor, with enhanced HDR and natural tone rendering. Leaked information also suggests Samsung might introduce smart lens switching, where the phone automatically chooses the best lens combination for a specific lighting environment. Think switching from portrait to ultra-wide seamlessly as you move through a scene. And for video creators, the S26 Ultra might finally bring 8K 60 FPS recording, along with a cinematic mode designed to rival Apple's offering, allowing real-time depth adjustment and background blur control during recording. Battery and charging are another area of major improvement. Samsung is reportedly keeping the 5,000 mAh capacity, but upgrading the charging system to 60W wired fast charging, which could push the phone from 0 to 80% in under 30 minutes, a much-needed upgrade considering how competitors like Xiaomi and OnePlus have been pushing past 100°. Wireless charging will reportedly support the new QE2 magnetic standard, allowing for faster, more secure connections similar to Apple's MagSafe system, and the phone will also retain reverse wireless charging, so you can juice up accessories like earbuds or smartwatches on the go. Thermal management is expected to get an overhaul too, with Samsung's new vapor cooling chamber being 40% larger, reducing heat buildup during gaming or prolonged camera use. And while the battery size stays the same, the efficiency gains from the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chip could translate into almost 10 to 15% longer screen-on time compared to the S25 Ultra. On the software and privacy side, the Galaxy S26 Ultra is rumored to debut with new privacy protection tools that automatically detect sensitive information in images, such as IDs, addresses, or documents, and blur them before you share. Samsung wants to make privacy a central theme of the S26 Ultra experience, complementing its hardware-based privacy display. There are also whispers about AppGuard, an advanced permission management system that alerts you when apps request suspicious access, and a Privacy Dashboard 2.0 that gives a real-time breakdown of which sensors and data streams your apps are using. These changes show Samsung's determination to position the S26 Ultra not just as a performance beast, but also as one of the safest smartphones for professionals and creators alike. Design-wise, leaked renders show a sleeker, more refined camera island this time. Instead of the floating lenses we saw in the S23 and S24 series, the S26 Ultra could return to a protruding camera bump, housing all lenses in a unified rectangular block, giving it a bolder, more defined look. Some fans love it, some hate it, but it undeniably gives the phone a distinct identity. The build will reportedly feature an armor aluminum frame with Gorilla Glass armor on both sides, ensuring durability while maintaining that premium feel. The phone could come in colors like Phantom Black, Titanium Gray, Emerald Green, and a rumored new hue called Mystic Silver Ice. Additionally, the stylus, a trademark of the Ultra series, is expected to return with lower latency and new gesture controls for editing and productivity. All these